Hey there, folks. Welcome to another episode of DIY Torque Lab. Let's talk about getting back on the road after having a flat. Let me tell you, there's nothing like a flat tire to ruin a good road trip. It's not just an inconvenience, it can be downright dangerous if you're not prepared. Knowing how to fix a flat is like having an extra layer of insurance on the road. It's about taking control and getting yourself out of a jam. You certainly don't need to be a mechanic to handle this. Trust me, if I can do it, anyone can. So, let's dive in and get you ready to tackle that flat tire head-on. Before you hit the road every time, make sure you've got the right tools and safety preparedness equipment in your trunk. No excuses. We're talking about a jack, a lug wrench, a spare tire, and a tire patch kit. It doesn't hurt to always have a tire inflator at all times inside your trunk compartment as well. These are your trusty sidekicks in the battle against the dreaded flat. For some reason it seems to happen at the most inconvenient time, right? Keep the tools and equipment clean, organized, and ready to roll. We'll go over each one in detail later, I promise. Safety first, folks. Find a level, solid surface away from traffic. Put on your hazard lights. Now you're ready to work. Use the lug wrench to loosen the nuts on the flat tire. Don't remove them completely just yet. Next, slide the jack under the car's frame and raise it until the tire is off the ground. Safety is key, so take your time and make sure everything is stable. With the tire off, you can either put on your spare or try patching the flat. For a patch, find the puncture. Clean the area around the hole with a tool from your patch kit. Apply the patch according to the instructions. Make sure it's secure and cut the excess. Once the patch is set, reinflate the tire to the correct pressures. You did it. You're ready to get back on the road. That was easy enough, right? Alright folks, if you found this content useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.